Welcome back to the vlog, guys. Today we are still working on this Miata, this transmission install. We gave up last night because we were tired, we were hungry, we were breathing in a lot of fiberglass and Bondo, you know. Yeah, just the usual. Transmission isn't one that made up to the motor smoothly. It's like always off-centered. So today we're just gonna try to and then and then call it a day.
We have to find a missing bolt though.
Oh yeah, I lost a bolt. Sorry, not sorry, but yes, I lost a bolt.
So we're gonna give you some updates as we get started on this thing. We'll try to get it together tonight, and you guys will see it driving on the road tonight. Hopefully, we're praying.
You here with me?
We're gonna get copyrighted. Shut up.
Oh.
So, we are being smarter than we were last night, and we're actually going to be using a heater and a light so we don't have to hold our iPhones underneath the car the whole time. So yes. And we realized that we are in fact not missing a bolt. Well, we didn't lose a bolt.
Because there wasn't a bolt to begin with, so I think we're good to go. We're solid.
Alright, let's start on it.
Yes, sir.
So right now, I'm just bolting together the tranny to the car, to the motor, because yeah.
Because yeah. So we have the transmission, what seems to be paired with the motor now. We were running into a little issue that we didn't realize last night because we were probably just fucking exhausted. My hair's probably a mess. But so what's happening, or what was happening, is that there's a little I guess it's like a little metal tube that is either attached to the motor or the transmission, and it's supposed to slide into one or the other to kind of align them. And we didn't realize that this new transmission that I have had it on the transmission while my motor held its little tube. So it just was hitting each other, so it could never go into the motor. So we figured that out. We pulled the little one out of the transmission, and so now we should be able to get it aligned. So it should be in right now.
Now it should be like free-sailing.
We have everything bolted down. We have the drive shaft back in. So yeah, now time to fill this bad boy back up.
You didn't get a pump, did you?
No. Fuck.
Just hand me one of the fluids.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna run to Advanced Auto, go grab a pump because I forgot to buy one, and also something to measure out the oil for the turret, because we have to fill the turret up as well. Back from Advanced Auto, got something to measure out the turret fluid, and got the pump to pump the transmission oil in. So now we get started.
We do get started. Yes, sir. Hell yeah, brother.
We get started for the 50th time.
All right, guys. We're gonna do a dyno test on the freaking Miata. All right, go ahead. So the car works, the transmission is back in.
We have to put the exhaust together, we have to put the skid plate on, and I think that's it. I think then the Miata will be ready back together. I'm hyped.
Dude, I am so hyped. I'm about to fix this clutch right now because there's a lot of play before engaging. This is all play right now. What? No, con có đi. Yes. I'm in the middle of filming. Since there's a lot of play in the exhaust, I mean that. I am sauced. Since there's a lot of play in the freaking clutch, like look.
This is before engagement. There's this much play. I don't know if you can see because there's no lighting, but there's a ton of play.
There is. I've always had that play since I bought the car, so we just never fix it. But we might as well fix it now. We took the whole car apart, so. You now have tetanus.
Yes. Have you guys ever seen a broken Phillips?
Camera will not focus, but oh my god. How do you break a Phillips head screwdriver?
Dude, I have no idea.
What the fuck?
I have no idea.
That's what happens when you strip a bolt. I mean, snap a, yeah.
So we have got the exhaust on. They're hella exhaust leaks, but we can't fix that right now because we don't have the proper size gaskets. We're just gonna roll with it and figure it out when we go back under the car to swap out the axle.
Oh, no way did that just happen.
What did you just do? What did you just do?
I snapped the self-tapper.
Brendan!
What do you want me to do?
As I was saying, we're gonna get back under the car later. I have to replace my axles because the camber, I think, blew out my axle boots. Yeah. So we're gonna replace that soon. But for now, we just want to get this thing technically on the road so I can drive it a little bit because I haven't driven this baby in a month. So yeah.
Long while.
Long while. We went under the car to try to put on the skid plate, and we realized that I think I need to raise my motor a little bit just because the skid plate rests right on my oil pan. If anything hits the skid plate, then it will hit my oil pan. So we're gonna do that a little later as well. Good. Nice.
Quick release jack stands.
Oh god. Alright, we are on our way down. Our dumbasses.
We forgot that e-brake was down.
Oh man. Alright, let's get this thing driving. Figured we might as well put the banner on since we finished. Shout out to Devoted. They're the homies. I do some photography for them, so they threw me a banner. But we'll have some Slantico banners coming soon, right?
Coming soon.
Yes, sir. She's alive.
She is alive.
So let's warm her up. Go on a test drive. I don't know if we should bring the camera just because it's really dark and my camera battery's about to die.
Yeah, so since the battery's about to die, we want to save all the battery life it has left to, you know, vlog the rest of the night. Also, I'm not wearing Slanted Code merch, but Slanted Code merch is linked in the description. Sauce, like champion,
Sauce.
champion embroidered.
Yes. We had to get the good quality. Damn, Pat.
Alright guys, we're gonna go on a little test drive and then we'll do a review on how it feels.
We just took this thing for a test drive and the transmission is pretty good. I noticed that first gear is a little like notchy, but that also might just be because my transmission was what I was used to and it was probably pretty screwed up for a while. But other than that, it seems pretty good. I just have to break in the new clutch, stuff like that. So
you were breaking in all right.
Oh yeah, I was.
You were breaking in all right. Where'd you get the clutch?
So the clutch, I think I mentioned it before, but the clutch is an RZ Falco Stage 1 organic. I got it off of Vivid Racing or something like that. It was cheap. So
About how much was it?
$160.
$160
Yeah.
clutch for Miata.
Transmission was $100. This was a good little cheap job.
And labor only costed you your cat.
Exactly. And maybe my old transmission.
Well, yeah, I'm gonna scrap this shit for metal. But you know.
All right. So while we were under here, we found that both my axle boots were torn. I believe it was because of the camber. I'm currently running -10 in the rear, and I think that just kind of put a lot of stress on the axles and eventually tore the old kind of stiffer rubber. So I'm gonna be ordering new axles pretty soon. I'm gonna be ordering a Raceland downpipe, nothing too special, but I do want a new downpipe. We're gonna be resealing the exhaust, getting the exhaust actually functioning how it should sound, and I think we will also be resealing the oil pan. Yeah.
Yeah, we
yeah.
definitely need to do a oil pan gasket. We've saw a lot of oil dripping down. Well, it's not like dripping as we like look at it, but you know, you can tell that there's oil that has been dripping down at some point. Yeah,
it's definitely seeping.
Yeah, definitely. Thanks for watching. If you watched the end of the video, comment pineapple, and we're not gonna do anything for you, but you guys should like, comment, and subscribe. Do all those things. Again, Slanted Code merch is in the description down below. Don't forget to, you know, cop yourself some merch. The guy on the website is kind of cute, so you guys should hit him up at not Brandon Lay. We'll leave it like somewhere right here. Yeah. Again, love you guys. Stay tuned for the next vlog. Peace out.
Shh, Brandon sauced.
No.